Hello to all. I am a assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. Now, today we see the topic of video lecture is number system. In number system, we see that the decimal number, binary number, octal number, and hexadecimal number. First and two's complement, binary arithmetic, interconversion, binary coded decimal, BCD, gray code, access code, and ASCII code. First we see one by one. First is number system. We see the number system in decimal form. The decimal number system has 10 as its base. It is the most widely used numerical base. When we write decimal base 10 numbers, we use the positional notation system. Example of decimal number system is 845. 8 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 to 10 raised to 0. So we see 8 into 10 raised to 2, 8 into 100, then plus 4 into 10 raised to 1, 10, plus 5 into 10 raised to 0, 1. So 8 into 100, 800 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 5 to 1, 5. 800 plus 40 plus 5. 845 is the decimal number system. For whole numbers, the rightmost position is the ones position. 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1. The number in that position indicates how many ones are present in the number. The next position to the left is tens, then 100, 1000 and so on. Each digit position has a weight that is 10 times the weight of the position to its right. Number system. We see in number system, the decimal numbers are the familiar 0 through 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example is 127 to the base 10 decimal number, radix or base 10. The binary number system is also a positional notation numbering system. The base of the binary number system is 2. Each digit position in a binary number represents a power of 2. Example 101, 101. This is the binary number system. 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1 into 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4. Any number multiplied by 2 is 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2, 4 into 1, 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 1, 2. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 1, 1. So is equal to 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. That is number where the binary number which is represented by a decimal. Only the numbers 0 and 1 are used in binary numbers. When talking about binary numbers, it is often necessary to talk of the number of bits used to store or represent the number. This merely describes the number of binary digits that would be required to write the number. The number in the above example is a 6-bit number. The examples of a 6-bit number or a binary number are the examples are 101, 101 binary denoted by 2 and decimal denoted by to the base 10. 101, 101 to the base 2, 11 to the base 2, 101, 10 to the base 2. Conversion between decimal and binary. 101, 10110 binary to the base 2 is equal to, how convert this binary to the decimal? 1 into 10 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. 1 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 is 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. But any number multiplied by 0 is answer is 0. So is equal to 16 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. So the 10110 binary number is represented in a decimal as a 22. After that we see the conversion between binary and decimal. The 22 to the base 10 is equal to how much converted into a binary? 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11 remainder. 11 by 2 is equal to 5 remainder. 5 is equal to 5 remainder 1. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2 remainder 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Remainder is 0. So 0 1 1 0. So the answer is 1 0 1 1 0. 22 to the base 10 is equal to 1 0 1 1 0 is the binary number. Hexadecimal number base is 16. This number system is called as a hexadecimal and each digit position represents a power of 16. For any number base greater than 10, a problem occurs because there are more than 10 symbols needed to represent the numericals for that number base. In hexadecimal numbers, since the hexadecimal system is base 16, there are 16 numerals required. The following are the hexadecimal numbers: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. Example is 3 FA to the base 16 means this is the hexadecimal numbers. 47 to the base 16 is the hexadecimal number. In hexadecimal to decimal conversion, how convert the hexadecimal number to the decimal? 25H hexadecimal is denoted by H is equal to 2 into 16 raised to 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to 0. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion, 37 to the base 10 is equal to how much convert the decimal to the hexadecimal number? 37 to the base of 16 is equal to 2 into r into 5 is equal to 25 to the base 16. This is the hexadecimal number. After that binary to hexadecimal conversion. Binary number is 101000010011111101. So 1010 binary in decimal it is denoted by A. 0001 binary it is denoted by in decimal 1. 0011 is a binary denoted by in decimal 3. 1101 is a binary number in decimal it is denoted by D. The hexadecimal to binary, the hexadecimal number A means in binary it is a number 10. How written in 10 in binary? 1010. Then 1 it is denoted by in binary 0001. 3 it is denoted by binary in 0011 and D which is denoted by in binary 1101. This is the hexadecimal to binary conversion. After that the number system and interconversion we see in short note. First decimal 0, octal 1 0, then 1 1, 2 in octal 2, 3 3. Octal number system interconversion we see 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 10 in octal, 9 11 10 12 11 13 12 14 13 15 14 16 15 17, after that 16 20 17 21 18 22 19 23 20 24 21 25 22 26 23 27 24 30 25 31 26 32 27 33 28 34 29 35 30 36 31 37, in octal 32 40 33 41 34 42 35 43 36 44 37 45 38 46 39 47 40 50 41 51 42 52 43 53 44 54 45 55 46 56 47 57. This is the example of number system interconversion, octal to decimal conversion. 37 octal is equal to 3 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0 is equal to 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. Decimal to octal conversion, 31 to the base 10 is equal to how much in octal? That is 31 divided by 8 is equal to 3r7, 37. Number system interconversion is binary to octal conversion, 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 2 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 4 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 triple 0 1 double 0 triple 1. The binary conversion, binary to octal conversion is 1 2 0 4 7 5, and octal to binary conversion 1 2 0 4 7 5 is 0 0 1 0 1 0 triple 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. This is the octal to binary conversion. The number system interconversion, we see one of the example, that is convert 0.0001 binary to the decimal. 0 is MSB and 1 is LSB. 0 into 2 raised to 0 into 0 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 4. So this conversion of binary into decimal is 0.00625. Therefore 0.0001 binary conversion into decimal is 0.0625 to the base 10. Number system interconversion, convert 0.625 to binary equivalent. Step 1, 0.625 into 2 is equal to 1.25. The first binary digit to the right of the point is 1. Step 2, 0.25 into 2 is equal to 0.50. The second binary digit to the right of the point is 0. Step 3, 0.50 into 2 is equal to 1.0. The third binary digit to the right of the point is 1. 0.625 decimal conversion into binary is 0.101 to the base 2. In this way we see the number system conversion. Thank you.